Mason with Wyatt and Sons Construction. In today's video, we're pouring concrete. We got the truck here. We poured this pool deck. I'll put a little suggested video in there if you want to check that out. But we're doing like around the band that we poured. It's like a 5-foot band. We're adding another 5 foot along the backside. Over here, we're adding like 15 foot. Pretty big section. 7:30. It's already like 90 degrees. It really feels like summer. I'm excited. I'm so sick of wearing layers and layers of clothes and freezing. So this is way better. Close. Nice. Excited?
For Africa? Yeah. For concrete? No.
Hey, that's what we're talking about.
Are we?
And not forget to pour the curb because that stopped me from my pour tomorrow.
Alrighty.
And then we're doing 11 yards tomorrow.
So that's what's going on, guys. Lots of work. Loving it. Well, I'm gonna have to hop in this mud, get all dirty.
Call them meatballs.
Curbs getting poured, edged. We did that whole sidewalk around the other side, all bull floated, edged, ready to finish. I think we're gonna put some double grooves in it. Grooves are getting cut in everywhere.
Jake, can you watch out a second, bud? Yeah. Whoop, right there.
Right
all right,
there.
do your thing, bud.
Starting to finish, mud boards spread out. Will's magging, Jake's are magging, Jake squared. We're maggot, I'm gonna brush it. All done finishing this part, edging, double grooves, brushed, all that good stuff. Just touching up the edge around the pool side there. Saul's finishing the little curb we have going on. Jake squared, cleaning up everything, getting it all taken care of, washed. This just needs edged. Curb is completed, tools are put away. We're gonna have to pour this tomorrow, but so we left the tools here. Second part of the pour today, big section here. It's about 11 yards. We're pouring that. It's a big section, so we got height pins. We use stakes and screws. We string lined from the pool deck over there. That's how we got our heights. And we are all ready to pour. We have pins in the pool deck, pins in the curb, pins in the pour we did the other day. Boots on, mag there, my Darby sword. Everybody's got boots. All done pouring, bull floating, edging. They put a double groove in over here, dummy joint, control joint. I don't care what you want to call it. I don't think we're doing any more because we can't really go 20 feet. So Saul cut it tomorrow. Starting to finish this thing, got a bunch of maggers. I'm gonna brush this. All done finishing, all that brushing, edging, all that nice fun stuff. It's completed. All that's left is to seal it. That's about it for pouring this extended pool deck. Washing these tools, got all our boxes, tools. We got a board for some reason, mud boards. Good job, guys.
Hey man, I don't want to be on camera.